Recently, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, was appointed as the convener to lead the group of ministers constituted by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, to study the GST rates for casinos, racecourses and online gaming. The next meeting of the group of ministers will be held in the second week of May 2022. After a meeting that was held on Monday with other members and officials at North Block, Delhi, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, informed that the group of ministers were able to move forward to a large extent on issues related to rates and valuation on which the rate should be applied, and certain issues of online gaming were discussed in detail. However, a few more technical aspects need to be discussed, informed the Meghalaya Chief Minister.
Today we have managed to really move the discussion forward to a large extent, and the issues related to the rates, related to the valuation on which the rate should be applied, and certain issues of online gaming. All these aspects were discussed in detail. We have broadly have a consensus and a decision, but there are a few more technical aspects on once we do apply that, what will be the implications. So therefore we are going to meet once more to finally take all the views of these decisions that we in likelihood will take, and then we will take a call. So next meeting should be around the second, third week of. It would not be appropriate for me to talk about that right now. It's as I said, the GoM is yet to decide, so I would reserve my comments on that right now, and we would wait till the decision and the report is submitted to the GST Council itself. Yeah, absolutely. If we are looking at all those aspects, we're looking, and we'll definitely keep all of those aspects in mind and only then take this. So issues are very simple. Take to a rate on the GST. Number two, which rate should apply for the different activities. हाँ, अलग-अलग प्लेटफॉर्म में अलग-अलग चीजों के लिए अलग-अलग वो हैं. So basically, in some activities it's a certain rate, in some other activities a certain rate. So what should be the rate, number one, in which activity? And there should be a differentiation in the rate or not. That's the one issue. Number two issue is the valuation on which you charge or you apply the rate. So should it be on the entire gross, the entire amount that is paid? Activities it's a certain rate, in some other activities a certain rate. So what should be the rate, number one, in which activity? And there should be a differentiation in the rate or not. That's the one issue. Number two issue is the valuation on which you charge or you apply the rate. So should it be on the entire gross, the entire amount that is paid or that is in the turnover, or should it be on the amount that is actually earned or commissioned, or the platform fee that is being there? So these are the issues that are in front of us. As I said, this impacts a large number of industries and large number of companies. Therefore, we need to keep all stakeholders, the society in mind. We have to keep the government of India and state governments in mind, and at the same time, we have to keep the industries also in mind. So we're keeping all the three stakeholders in mind, trying to take the best decision. It's huge. So we are looking at just the online gaming itself is almost touching 30,000 crores in terms of its turnover. So annual. So it's seeing growth, large growth, almost 20-30% every year. So it's a huge amount, and therefore we need to make sure that we take the right decision.
Members of the group of ministers include Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Ajit Pawar, West Bengal's Minister of Finance Chandrima Bhattacharya, Gujarat's Minister of Finance Kanubhai Patel, Minister of Transport and Panchayati Raj of Goa Morvin Godinho, Minister of Finance of Tamil Nadu Dr. Palanivel Thiagarajan, Minister of Finance of Uttar Pradesh Suresh Kumar Khanna, and Minister of Finance of Telangana Thanniru Harish Rao. It may be informed that in 2021, Conrad Sangma had led the group of ministers to study GST rates on COVID-related materials.